Are you looking for the best Elegoo Resin 3D printer? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best Resin 3D printer on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1, Elegoo Saturn S Mono MSLA Resin 3D Printer. Faster printing. Saturn S 3D printer comes with a 9.1-inch 4K HD monochrome LCD of 4098 by 2560 resolution, which shortens the printing time per layer to 2s/3s while restores the vivid details of the original models. Low energy consumption and heat emission extends the lifespan of the mono LCD by 3 times. Larger build volume. With a larger printing volume of 196mm, 122mm, 210mm/7.71 inches, 4.80 inches, 8.26 inches, you can print bigger complex structural parts, or multiple small 3D models at a time, which greatly increases your printing efficiency. Higher printing accuracy. The matrix light source of 54 UV LEDs emits optimal uniform light beam of 405 nanometers wavelength for rapid prototyping, ensuring a sleek and delicate surface of 3D printed model and a more accurate printing size. Super stable structure. The Z-axis adopts a double linear guideway shock absorption unit, with an accuracy of 0.00125 mm for more stable and accurate moving to reduce the risk of layer shifting. The build plate with sandblasted surface has a stronger adhesion, and the set screws on which have long-lasting leveling performance without frequent calibration. Pleasant printing experience. The replaceable activated carbon filter on the USB port can effectively absorb and filter the resin odor and pungent fumes, bringing you a refreshing printing experience. Number 2. Elegoo Mars 3 Pro MSLA Resin 3D Printer. 4K Monochrome LCD. 6.6-inch 4K monochrome LCD screen with a replaceable anti-scratch tempered glass with 9H hardness for a better light transmittance at 4098 by 2560 high resolution, protecting the screen while restoring model details to the greatest extent. Powerful COB light source. Upgraded freeform surface COB lens consists of 36 highly integrated UV LED lights, paired with Fresnel lens to deliver an even beam of 405 nanometers wavelength for a more smooth surface finish and incredible printing quality. Large build volume. With a large build volume of 143.43 times 89.6 times 175mm, 5.647 times 3.52 times 6.8 inches, you can print one large model or undergo batch printing in a single job, which saves your time and greatly improves your productivity. Designed for reliability. Non-slip hexagon socket leveling screws work with the sandblasted oxide surface build plate for stronger adhesion and more stable printing. PFA release liner with less release tension for a higher printing success rate. Better printing experience. Built-in active carbon filter can effectively absorb and filter the resin odor and pungent fumes, giving you a fresh printing experience. Copper heat tubes and a powerful cooling fan with faster heat transfer and better cooling efficiency, extending the lifespan of 3D printer. Number 3. Elegoo Saturn S MSLA Resin 3D Printer. 10 inches 8K monochrome LCD. Elegoo Saturn S Resin 3D Printer adopts a 10-inch 8K mono LCD screen with an HD resolution of 7680 by 4320 and an ultrafine XE resolution of 28.5 microns, outputting outstandingly detailed 3D models with a QIM of only 1/3s per layer. The scratch-resistant tempered glass above the LCD screen with 9H hardness for better light transmission and protection. 43% larger printing volume, with a build volume of 219 by 123 by 215, 8.62 by 4.84 by 9.84 inch and a 10 large mono LCD screen make the prototype size larger and the curing efficiency higher, you can print one larger model or multiple smaller models in a single batch. Fresnel collimating light source. Fresnel collimating light source consists of 48 highly integrated UV LED lights that work with freeform surface Cobb lens and FCL system Fresnel lens to emit a uniform light beam of 405 nanometers wavelength with 92% light uniformity, excellent printing accuracy, and a more smooth surface finish. Reliable printing performance. The Z-axis is designed with dual linear rails and non-slip hexagon socket leveling screws for ultra-steady and accurate movement and remarkable printing performance. The sandblasted surface build plate provides much stronger adherence, and PFA release liner with easier model removal and less release tension. Odor-free printing environment. The filtration system with an activated carbon filter can absorb most of the resin odor, creating an odor-free fresh printing environment. Double heat conducting copper heat tubes with faster heat transfer and better heat dissipation efficiency prolong the service life of 3D printers. Number 4. Elegoo Saturn S 8K Resin 3D Printer. 8K Ultra High Resolution. 7680 by 4320 pixels LCD screen is packed into Saturn II, enabled to print out works at 28 micrometers high resolution, and render the tiniest of features in lifelike detail. All of the print's surfaces will be clean and smooth. Bigger 10 mono LCD, 10 monochrome LCD and taller Z-axis mega jump in printing size. 219 by 123 by 215/8.6 by 4.8 by 9.8 inch large build volume lets your creations have more possibilities. Tempered glass screen protector is added for defense against scratches and resin spills. Light source with Fresnel lens. Newly designed Fresnel collimating light source allows for a uniform light beam across the entire LCD screen and an acclaimed light uniformity of 92%, essential for batch production and large prints. For better printing experience, built-in activated carbon reducing bad odor of resin, and a removable panel on the UV covers is great for those who want to use exhaust system, offering a more comfortable experience. Attention, USB port next to the VAT is for odor reducing facility only. Elegoo authorized distributor. You will receive Elegoo Saturn II and Tool Kit, 1-year warranty on the whole printer, LCD screen, PFA film, and tool kit excluded. Professional technical support and friendly customer service. Number 5. Elegoo Mercury X Bundle Resin 3D Printer. Essential for resin 3D printing, Elegoo Mercury X Bundle contains one washing station and one post-curing station, which completes your resin 3D printing experience for post-processing and allows you to wash and cure 3D prints at the same time, maximizing your throughput. Washing larger prints easier. With a 7.5 liters container, you can directly wash big parts 3D printed on Elegoo Saturn and Mars 3 as well. Leave the prints on the build plate and set it on the hanger inside the bucket. Then the parts will be washed in the stirring solvent, removing all the residual resin. Improve your print quality. The post-curing station comes with 2 light bars with built-in 14 LED lights each and 4 LED lights beneath the turntable. Working with Fresnel lens, they can emit the optimal 405 nanometers wavelength of UV light and increase the quality of the resin 3D prints. Intuitive and safe operation. Elegoo Mercury X Bundle adopts a sleek design using a single knob. Press and hold to turn on and off the machine, then rotate the knob to set an appropriate time for washing and curing. The UV cover blocks 99.9% of ultraviolet rays and protects your eyesight during post-curing. Tips and tricks. After a model is washed, it's better to dry it first before you put it in the curing station. For parts printed with water-washable resin, it's better to use running water to wash and not suitable to clean them using the washing station. Note, it is necessary for washing station to put liquid in the bucket in advance, otherwise it will also cause the wheel to get stuck when running.